Okay, so I've shown you 4 things in this video. I've shown you where to get a jet and how to get a jet. I've shown you where to get the helicopters. I've shown you you can get a helicopter close to Vespucci Beach. I've shown you there's at the airport of Trevor you can get the helicopter, and also the main airport of Los Santos. I've also shown you the 4th thing I've shown you is how to get into the airport without actually needing to have an without having needing a helicopter, by getting into the airport on foot. And now if you are interested, you can join my crew. I'm just going to quickly show you my crew. So my crew is here. Let me just manage to control both things at once. So if you want to add me, my crew is DEvolution. That's my image. At the moment it's closed enrollment. I'll open it up for 24 hours. If you want to enroll, then I'll open it up and then you can enroll without having to wait for an invite. And then after 24 hours I'll probably close it. So that is my crew. If you're interested, join me and let's have some fun together. Cheers. Thanks for watching.